Suzanne Case, the chair of Hawaii's Department of Land and Natural Resources. Once again, an invasive species or disease threatens to seriously diminish or even wipe out one of Hawaii's most beloved symbols.
Yeah, this rapid Ohia death kind of moved into this area around 2 years ago. We started to notice it, and it's just expanded from there.
The Ohia lehua tree is the backbone of Hawaii's native forests and watersheds, the source of fresh water in our islands. Ohia trees cover more than 1 million acres statewide and are perhaps the most important tree in Hawaii.
Hi, I'm Lisa Keith. I'm a research plant pathologist with USDA Ag Research here in Hilo, and this time it's a disease not only new to Hawaii, but to science. It's already killed thousands of Ohia trees on Hawaii Island. It's called rapid Ohia death, or ROD. It's caused by a fungus and has the potential to kill Ohia statewide. That's why it's critical we all help minimize the further spread of ROD to buy time for researchers like me to find answers and potential treatments.
Hi, I'm JB Friday. I'm Extension Forester with the University of Hawaii. I work with landowners, both public and private, across the state. Please watch for a few minutes while we detail the symptoms of rapid Ohia death. The symptoms of rapid Ohia death are crowns of Ohia trees that appear healthy turn yellowish or brown within days to weeks. Dead leaves remain on branches for some time.
Here's what we're looking at. Very typically, you see this black staining.
Sometimes single branches or limbs turn brown first, and over 2 to 3 weeks, the rest of the tree turns brown. All ages of Ohia trees can be affected and can have symptoms, the browning of the branches and the leaves. If a tree with rapid Ohia death is cut down, or a section of the tree is removed, the fungus shows up as a dark staining in the sapwood along the outer edge, and there may be overripe, fruit-like odor. Trees within a given stand die in a haphazard pattern. The disease does not appear to radiate out directly from infected or dead trees.
My name is Scott Enright. I'm chairperson for the Hawaii Department of Agriculture. And the Board of Agriculture recently passed a quarantine rule that will prohibit the movement of Ohia products except by permit around the state. This movement of Ohia products inter-island except by permit of all Ohia plant or plant parts includes logs, wood, leaves, twigs, flowers, seeds, stems, and cuttings. Untreated wood, green waste, mulch, sawdust, wood chips, or frass, which is wood dust from boring beetles. All of these materials could carry the fungus and spread the disease. The fungus can stay viable for over a year. To apply for permits to move Ohia products that can be demonstrated to be free from disease, please visit hdoa.hawaii.gov.
There are 5 things we can all do to stop the spread of rapid Ohia death from one area to another or one island to another. Don't move Ohia. Don't transport Ohia inter-island.
So I'm going to put the knife back in, hope it kills whatever's in the scabbard.
Clean your tools. Clean your gear.
Clean that kind of stuff. They get to the nice tub and they use an OxyClean and everything. But it's
Wash your vehicle.
So it developed this really nice Ohia 45. Okay, so
And this rod continues to move up Steenbeck Highway.
The UH Manoa College of Tropical Agriculture and Human Resources, the USDA Agricultural Research Service, the USDA Institute of Pacific Islands Forestry, and the Department of Land and Natural Resources, Division of Forestry and Wildlife, have partnered to address rapid Ohia death. You can get the latest information, maps, and updates by visiting www.rapidohiadeath.org.